Hey everybody, this is Christian from Dataiku, and I'm super excited to welcome you to the first edition of What's New Dataiku for 2025. We've got some awesome updates from 13.4 to share with you today. From powerful AI agents to proactive cost controls, this release is all about scaling trusted GenAI across the organization. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with something really exciting. AI agents have arrived in Dataiku. You can now build AI agents that can use tools and complete multi-step workflows, and they'll show up as objects right in your flow. You can design agents in your framework of choice, or package them as plugins to speed up reuse across your organization. And because they're powered by the Dataiku LLM mesh, you can deploy these agents with just a few clicks. These agents are first-class citizens in Dataiku Govern, ensuring you can monitor and control them right alongside your other models and registries. This is particularly useful for data scientists and AI engineers who are looking to graduate AI agents out of the lab and into production, and for the IT teams that need to maintain control and visibility over these agents. There's a lot more coming in the near future regarding agents in Dataiku. This is just the beginning, so be on the lookout for more announcements on AI agents in upcoming releases. Now let's take a look at some powerful improvements we've made to our RAG capabilities. If you've ever tried to build a knowledge bank using PDFs that have embedded tables or diagrams in them, you know how tough it can be to capture that type of information accurately. Our new Embed Documents recipe simplifies this process. Whether you're working with tables in PDFs or diagrams in presentations, you can now capture this visual information in your documents to create a multimodal knowledge bank. This is especially valuable for teams dealing with technical documentation, financial reports, or any content where visual elements are crucial to understanding. We've also added hybrid search capabilities for RAG that combine similarity search with exact keyword matching. This is important for industries with specialized terminology such as healthcare, legal, or engineering, where precise matching of technical terms is critical. But we didn't stop there. Not only do we need to control costs and make it easier to find the right information, we also have to ensure high-quality output, which is why Dataiku 13.4 introduces new RAG quality guardrails. These are two new LLM as a judge eval metrics defined at the model level in the knowledge base that provide real-time evaluation of responses from your augmented LLMs using two key metrics: faithfulness, which ensures that responses accurately reflect the source content, and response relevancy, which verifies that answers directly address the given prompt. These new enhancements will make your RAG-powered applications more accurate and reliable than ever before. Now, as more teams adopt these awesome GenAI capabilities across the organization, it becomes more important than ever to be able to maintain visibility and control over costs, and not just at the vendor level or the user level, but at the business project level. That's why Dataiku 13.4 introduces powerful new controls that allow you to proactively block an alert based on quotas that you create, from individual users to entire projects. You can access these controls from the admin panel and set your own quotas by project, user, connection, or provider. You can control when alerts are sent, through which channels, and to whom. This means no more surprise GenAI bills after the fact. The system will automatically alert you when you're approaching limits and can even block usage to prevent overages. This is particularly valuable for IT teams managing enterprise-wide GenAI budgets. Here's something that's going to make data analysis much faster and more accessible. Our new SQL Assistant lets you describe the data you want in plain language and then generates the appropriate SQL query for you. Simply describe the data you want, and the assistant generates the appropriate SQL query. The assistant is familiar with the structure of your data, which enables it to create complete queries that you can simply drop into your SQL notebooks. This is helpful for business analysts who need to query data but aren't SQL experts, but it's also just as powerful for data scientists looking to speed up their data analysis workflows. Ultimately, it means your teams can focus on getting insights from their data rather than wrestling with syntax. For data science teams working with time series data, we've added new evaluation capabilities to help you build more reliable models. You now have access to per-fold metrics for understanding performance across different time periods, additional statistical insights for evaluating models, and more precise control over resampling time ranges. This is particularly valuable for teams working on forecasting in retail, finance, or other domains where seasonal patterns matter and accuracy is critical. Before we wrap up, let me share some final improvements that are going to make your daily experience of Dataiku even smoother. First, we've unified search and filtering in one search bar in the flow, making it easier than ever to find exactly what you're looking for in your complex projects. Second, we've enabled web app monitoring so you can track your web apps alongside your other important deployed models. And finally, we've added support for leveraging load balancing for specific applications, strengthening application stability. Those were just the highlights of what's new in Dataiku for 13.4. For the full list of updates, check the release notes and the 13.4 update page on dataiku.com. A huge thank you to our product and engineering teams for another fantastic release, and we'll see you next time with more exciting updates.